Heat olive oil in a skillet and add the medley of mushrooms, onion, celery and fresh thyme, parsley and sage. Cook the mushrooms, vegetables, and herbs, stirring often until the onions and mushrooms are softened. Take the skillet off the heat and set aside. In a large bowl, mix the dry gluten-free bread cubes with 1 cup of vegetable broth. If the mixture is too dry, continue to add just enough broth to make the bread moist but not soggy. Add the mushroom mixture to the bread and gently toss to combine. You want to mix the ingredients without breaking the bread into crumbs. Transfer the mushroom stuffing to a large baking dish. Bake to perfection. Slide the stuffing in the oven and bake for 45 minutes to 1 hour or until the top of the stuffing is gorgeously browned and crispy. Serve your gluten-free vegan mushroom stuffing hot out of the oven.